share with you how to create an effective presentation. All of us have to deliver some presentation at least at some point in our career. It could be a project presentation for your college or your university, and it could be a business presentation for your colleagues. So, in this video, we are going to share with you 11 effective presentation hacks that will help you to deliver clear presentation from next time.
Step 1. Understand your audience. You should research and analyze your audience to determine their interest, knowledge level, and expectation. Tailor your content and delivery style. Step 2. Define your objective. Clearly identify the purpose of your presentation. Whether it's inform, inspire, and educate. Having a clear objective will help you structure your content effectively.
Now, step 3. Step 3 is organize your content. Develop a logical structure for your presentation. Use an introduction to grab attention, a body to deliver key points, and a conclusion to summarize and reinforce your main message. Use headings, subheadings, and bullet points to enhance clarity and readability. And step 4 is use visuals wisely. Incorporate visual aids such as slides, charts, or graphs. Support your message and engage your audience. The visuals simple, uncultured, and visually appealing. Use them to complement your spoken words, not as a substitute for them.
Step 5. Practice and rehearse. Familiarize yourself with the content and rehearse your presentation multiple times. Practice your delivery, timing, and transition. This will help boost your confidence and ensure a smooth flow during the actual presentation. Step 6. Engage your audience. Use storytelling, anecdotes, and real-life examples to capture your audience attention. Encourage interaction by asking questions, conducting polls, and allowing time for a Q&A session. Engage your audience both verbally and visually to maintain their interest throughout.
Step 7. Maintain a confident posture. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use gesture to appear confident and authoritative. Practice controlling your voice modulation, pace, and tone to convey your message effectively. Avoid reading directly from slide or notes. Speak naturally, and connect with your audience. Step 8. Address concerns and objection. Anticipate potential questions or objections your audience may have and be prepared to address them. This demonstrates you have thoroughly researched your topics and have considered various perspectives.
Step 9. Keep it concise and focused. Be mindful of the time allotted for your presentation. Keep your content concise and focused and to the point. Avoid unnecessary jargon or technical terms unless your audience is familiar with them. Then step 10. Finishing strong. Summarize your main point in the conclusion and end with the clear call to action or thought-provoking statement. Leave your audience with a memorable closing that reinforces your message. Then step 11. Seek feedback and improve. After your presentation, ask for feedback from attendees or trusted colleagues. Reflect on their input and make adjustments on needed for your future presentation.
Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice and refine your presentation skills, the more confident and effective you will become. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to share.